A proud graduate of HBCU's Fort Valley State University and North Carolina Central University School of Law, where he received his Juris Doctor of Law, as well as Bowling Green State University, where he attended graduate school, Ira Foster is the General Counsel of Georgia Legal Services Program.
He applied for Georgia Legal Services as an intern for us, and he was, you could tell in the beginning that he had such a compassion and such an interest in serving rural and moderate income Georgians to make sure everybody had access to justice.
As a child, I grew up in a low income situation. We had to receive public benefits for a period of time, so I want to help individuals who have the same type background that I had when I was a child.
When Ira and I started, often Ira was the first black attorney to walk into those rural, small Georgia courthouses. And his personality is so winning.
I know him as a past Macon Bar Association president. He never tires of advocating whenever the opportunity presents to advocate for those who are underserved.
So I've had the pleasure of having a front row seat of seeing Ira get involved in a number of programs. Some he's just worked on that have started. Others he was the start of programs that have impacted families and communities as it relates to school to prison pipeline and that dilemma, or most recently the work that he's doing with young college age students and helping them have an interest and awareness of what it takes to be successful in law school.
I do family law for victims of domestic violence, and you can imagine those emergency rooms. And Ira's idea was to have an attorney stationed at the hospital to help victims of domestic violence, to help people get their Medicaid so they can have access to health care.
When there's a task in front of him, when there's an opportunity to advocate, when there's an opportunity to serve, he pounces on it.
Ira's a good guy, and others have said it, and it shows in the work that he does, both in the community, in his 9-to-5, and just the way that he carries himself generally.
I am so grateful to be able to celebrate your commitment to service, your advocacy of the underserved, and your endless and boundless energy to community service.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, and thank you for your commitment.
Ladies and gentlemen, we salute Ira Foster.